I've been using this foam cleanser for a couple weeks now and really loving it. So it's a cream foam cleanser. This is what it looks like when it comes out. And then my skin is wet right now, so I'm just putting it on. And you can see it kind of lathers up really nicely right away. And a little bit does go a long way with this. So I'm gonna put a little more. Has a beautiful, really nice scent to it. It really helps get any dirt, makeup off, impurities. I usually use this in the shower, but you could of course do this over a sink or however else you like to do your skincare routine. It has salmon complex in it, which I think is really interesting. And it also has hyaluronic acid and some other great things in it. Okay, so now that I've kind of put it on my face, massaged it in, I'm gonna go ahead and use a wet towel here to just take it off, and then I'll show you the after. So you can already see some of the makeup coming off that I did have on earlier. Really wiping away everything to leave your skin nice and clean. Okay, and there we go. My skin feels hydrated. It feels tighter as well. I've really been enjoying using this cleansing foam, this cream cleansing foam, and I think you're gonna love it as well.